In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this kind of text effects in your video. To get started, I'll be using a YouTube video size blank page. Now, let me get my video. You can use any video to recreate this, but I'll be using a video from Canva template, from Canva element. So you can, so this video, I need to stretch it out to fit. Duplicate it and place it just above the other video. Now let's resize this page because I do not intend to make this video too long. So now what we need now is to remove the background of the image in front, the video in front. So select it, go to edit video, click on background remover to remove it. Background successfully removed. Now we need to go to test to get our test. We'll be using, okay, let's just type jogging. Increase the size. I need this text in capital letter. So go to select it and go to uppercase. Good. Increase the size. I need to change this font. I want a different font. Leaks pattern, that's the font I'm looking for. Let's change the color of this text. I need something close to yellow or yellow at most. Okay, let's unselect and select again. Yes. Let's send this text backward. Let me show you. Let's go to position so you can see the video and how they are. Take this text below here and then duplicate it. Place it just in front of. Let's give this the second text a holo effect. Now this is what we want. And select the video. Let's show time. Let's see the timing so that we'll be sure that both videos are starting at the same time. So show timer. Let's play. So because I'm recording and doing this, that's why it's a little slow, the processing. But once you download this video, you will see the effect. So this is how to create the effects. You can try this out and let me know